This is question number 1 on geometry homework number 9. The question says calculate the distance between 7, -10 and -10, 4. So this is a distance question. We can see that right here. So we're not going to use our midpoint formula or missing endpoint formula. This we can use the formula we learned in class today. So this is going to be my x1, y1, my x2, and y2. And then I can write my distance formula. So I know that d equals the square root, and then 2 set of parentheses squared, both of them, and then we add them together. I like to write this out first so that I know that I have every piece there before I start putting my numbers in. So this is going to be my x1 minus my x2, and then my y1 minus my y2. So my x1 is going to be 7 minus my x2 is -10. So I have minus and the negative. And then here's going to be my y's. So my y1 is -10 minus my y2 is -4. So these two can turn into plus signs. We're going to say 7 plus 10 and -10 plus 4. When I rewrite it, it's going to be the square root of something squared plus something squared. So I have 7 plus 10 would be 17. And then I have -10 plus 4 would be -6. Then I'm going to carry this down. 17 squared, if I grab my calculator, is going to be 17 times 17, which is 289, plus -6 squared. Well, a negative times a negative is going to be a positive. So 6 times 6, or -6 times -6, would be 36. And that's a little trick you can use. Anything that comes from here always will be positive because you're squaring it. You can't have an answer to a square be negative. So then I have 289 plus 36. 289 plus 36 would be 325. And if I try to take the square root of 325, I get a big decimal number, 18.02, etc. So I'm going to keep my answer as just the square root of 325. That's the distance between these 2 points.